The number of working royals is very thin on the ground, according to royal author Jenny Bond. The royal family crisis will only get worse despite King Charles's and Princess Kate's return home from hospital, the royal commentator has claimed. The problems with a slimmed-down monarchy were highlighted after the recent health concerns involving the monarch and the Princess of Wales, which left only a handful of working royals available to carry out engagements, including Princess Anne, Queen Camilla, and the Duke and Duchess of Edinburgh. On Monday, it was announced that King Charles and Kate had returned home after undergoing operations at the London clinic. The Princess and the King will both be able to return to duties once they have fully recovered, with Kate expected back sometime around Easter and the King sometime sooner, with no date officially announced. However, a royal commentator has pointed out that the firm will have to wait for a further 8 years until the children of the Prince and Princess of Wales are of age to officially work. Prince George will be 18 in July 2031. However, he will likely choose to attend university, meaning he won't start performing duties until 2034, at the age of 21. Former royal correspondent Jenny Bond said, "This crisis has definitely highlighted how very thin on the ground working royals are now, and it's only going to get worse until George, Charlotte and Louis grow up. The King has been resolute in his determination to slim down the monarchy, and the current situation will convince him to change tack. I think he's right," Bond continued. Only the most churlish would begrudge Charles, Kate and William time off to get over this health shock. Of course, there will be charities and organisations who will be disappointed by events being postponed or cancelled, but I'm sure they will be sympathetic and understanding. Speaking with OK, Bond suggested an easy way for the King and the Princess of Wales to get back to work while still recuperating. One idea might be for the King and William, and Kate when she feels able, to connect with charities etc. via video link, as they all did during the pandemic. It was very effective, highlighting the causes they support and at the same time keeping the royal family in the public eye. Some, such as royal commentator Michael Cole, have suggested one solution could be for Prince Harry to return to the UK to pick up the slack, as other working royals are left out of action.
He has said in recent days that he misses Britain, that he misses his friends, he misses the sport, he misses the camaraderie, he misses a lot about this country. And in a way, I think we miss him. And of course, with the recent events, both the Princess of Wales in hospital and the King going into hospital, there would have been a very important role for him to pick up some slack here and play his full part in the royal family. And, never say never. The prodigal son is always welcome. Perhaps he should be back here, and perhaps even he thinks that. I can't imagine what was going through his mind when he heard that his sister-in-law, about whom he's been rather unkind, indeed cruel, in his book Spare, which we were talking about a year ago, and indeed in other books which he appears to have been involved, Omid Scobie's book, and so on. I wonder what he thought about that, because there's a woman who's gone into hospital. It's quite clearly not a trivial thing. It's not a minor matter.
It remains to be seen whether fringe members of the family may be invited to take on a more prominent role, or if the move to a slimmed-down monarchy could persist until the young royals come of age.